So the second half of this short seminar is going to look at three tools that we can use to manage conflict. But just a short review, we have three facts, and that is that conflict is natural, conflict is actually a gift, and then finally, conflict impacts people differently. So I'm just going to wipe this off. We'll say goodbye to our shark over here. And we'll move into the next portion of our time together. And so we're going to look at three tools that you can use to really manage conflict. Now, let me use the example of an umbrella. If it was really raining outside, then you might run inside and get an umbrella. So you go out and you put that umbrella up, and all of a sudden you are protected from the rain. So here's our umbrella. Like my artwork. All right, there's your umbrella. And as long as you stay underneath the umbrella, it's going to protect you from the rain that's coming down all around it. So that's working really well. As the raindrops come, you stay protected. Well, the next day, it's really, really sunny. And you think, hey, yesterday, my umbrella really protected me. It really helped me. So I'm going to go get my umbrella, and I'm going to see if it is a tool that will help me be protected from the sun. So you go and lose our raindrops. And now, instead of raindrops, we have sunbeams that are coming down. And once again, you are protected by the sun. The third day, it's very, very cold. And so you think, wow, on the first day, I used an umbrella and it helped me with the rain. The second day, I used an umbrella, it helped me be protected from the sun. On the third day, I'm going to get my umbrella again. And you go outside into the cold with your umbrella, and it does absolutely nothing to help you. The reason why the umbrella doesn't help you with the cold, it's not a tool that is designed to help you with that situation. So you have certain tools that can help you in some places, and in other places they can't. And it is the same with managing conflict. So we're going to look at three different tools, all of which can be helpful to you. So, three tools. The first tool that we get right out of Scripture is that we need to find wise counsel. Now, I especially appreciate the wise counsel that God provides in the book of Proverbs. And I wrote down a few different verses that are helpful that you can look up. Specifically, Proverbs 11, 14, 12:15, and 15:22. All of these verses talk about how other people can provide wise counsel. God uses people that can provide wise counsel for you. He provides them. And if we're willing to ask and then check what they say against Scripture, it can provide excellent insight in terms of how we should deal with challenging situations. So the first tool available to you is wise counsel. Second tool is talking something through with someone. You talk it through with someone if you've had a conflict with them. So number two, second tool, talk it through. Now, we can look to Matthew chapter 18, and God provides an excellent process for managing conflict. And specifically, it talks about how if I have a problem with you or you have a problem with me, then we should go to that person and we should talk through the challenge that we are dealing with. But what's really exciting to me is that God went a step further. And in Matthew 18, after he explains, go talk to the person, he goes on to say, if that doesn't work, then think about another person that you could go to, and you could bring them along, and you could sit down, and you could further discuss the challenge. You know, people have called that a moderator, a mediator, but it's someone that can be there and can listen, and it can help everyone hear everyone else.